Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can unmute post or account on Instagram. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram, and the first thing we're gonna do if we want to unmute post or account is we have to click on this profile menu right here. Then we can click on this button on the top right corner of our screen, and then there will be several options for us, and we have to click on settings and privacy. Then we can scroll our screen until we find muted accounts, and it's right here. Just click on it, and then if you want to unmute someone, you can simply click on this unmute button. Just click on it. Then you can choose either you want to unmute post, stories, or notes. And for me, I'm just going to unmute all of that. So just click on the circle button right like this. Alright, and we can go back to our previous menu. Alright guys, and that's how we can unmute post or account on Instagram. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.